event number 13, boys 10 and under, 100-meter breaststroke. Heat 1. Swimming lane 0, Padua of the Sailor Swim Club. Lane 1, Gian of Illusionist Aquatic. Lane 2, Donaire of Compass Aquatics. Lane 3, Rincoraya of Beta Caloocan. Lane 4, Gerard of Treasure Sharks. Lane 5, Colliat of Aquasonic. Lane 6, Vance of Beta Caloocan. Lane 8, Clinton of Coach Roy. Lane 9, Del Rosario of Siam Riptide Swim Team.
Unahan na si Dylan. Ang ganda lagi ng diving niya eh. Pag angat na lang, upo na siya. Ayun o, dapat gano'n o. Pagsipag o mag-glide. Ilan taon na ba yan? 5? Yan ba yung 5? Yun ka baby oh. Ang konti kasi na movement niya oh.
We would like to inform you that there was a disqualification in event number 12, Heat 12, Lane 9.
Hindi mo na unahan pa siya ng gusto. Hindi talaga siya makakali sa kick. Hindi siya umiikot sa akin.
Go, Dylan!